how to fix the limit problem on your Instagram app. So all what you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, it will take you directly into this page as you can see. Now all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, now click on this option right here in the top and then click on the notifications management. Make sure that everything is enabled. Go back and then click on data usage and make sure also that every options here are enabled. Go back, click on the internal storage right here, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back and now click on this open by default option and then click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. And the last step is you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. And the last step now is just restart your phone and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.